Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing another video on my bracelets. Last video somebody said that I was not talking right in there, but it was because of my mic that I had on. So hopefully y'all can hear me clearly in this video. So stay tuned on what I'm gonna be doing with these bracelets. So I'm gonna be doing like fruit bracelets. So we have the strawberries. We have the grape charms, strawberry charms, and the banana charms. And these is the colors I'm going to be doing that you see on here. Yeah, so let's get into it. So I already prepped my charms with the jump rings. So I'm about to go on in and do my beads. Putting it on it. Do my beads and putting it on the string. Hopefully they'll turn out right like my other ones did. Because I really liked that black one. What do y'all think on the ones that I did? Because I really liked that black one. I really did. But that one is getting ready to leave me. Somebody got that one, so I'm going to say my final goodbyes to it when it leaves. Okay, I'm halfway done with it. Yeah, I did some of did most of it off of camera because my storage, once again, I don't want it to run out of storage. Then I have to delete stuff out of my phone. Can't wait to get me a camera so I can do what I need to do with it. But take it and stretch it out so it can be right. And I'll be right back when I get through tying it. Here go one, the grape. I like that one. I'm sorry for the noise in the back. But yeah, I like that one. Come back with the other ones. Do some off and some on camera. Alright, be back. Okay, so now I'm starting on the banana. So what I'm going to want y'all to do is stay tuned. I'm going to do some off camera and some on camera. And then show y'all what it looks like after that. Okay, so I'm back. I did most of it off camera. Yeah. I want y'all to tell me how I did. Well, tell me which one was y'all favorites on the other video I did with the other bracelets. But don't be afraid to comment and all that good stuff, you know. Right, I'm making sure it's the right size. So it might be bigger than the other, who's to say. But I'll be back. Here go the banana and the grape. Probably do the red one a little different. Probably put all the colors in the red one. But here we go, right here. Okay, this is the patterning that I'm going with the strawberry because it's all these beads and these right here. So I don't know. I gotta see how I really want this, but if it come out right with them, then yes. But I'll be back. So I'm gonna tie this one up on the camera. So let's see how this looks with that. What the other set that I did. See how it looks. But let's see. Here goes yeah. Here goes the strawberry one, the banana, and the grape one. That's honey. What is y'all down there for? See? But yeah, I think it come out nicely. What do y'all think? Okay, this time I'm gonna do fall colors. So we got orange and red or burgundy or whatever color this right here has got going on. But yeah, I'm gonna do some on camera and some off camera because I don't hardly got no storage on my phone. And I don't want to keep on deleting stuff off of there. DeMarco. So I'm gonna do some on camera and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks, and I'm gonna make two more. So I'm not gonna do them on camera, but I'm gonna do them, and then I'm gonna show y'all what I came up with this look. Okay, here's the set that I did, the fall colors. Think that's cute too, so I'm about to put them on my thing and put it in the bag. Okay, so it's these things to put on there. I'm gonna hook it up here. That's one of them. And then the fruit. Stick it on there. So these is the two that I made today. And I got more charms that I will be doing in my video. So I want y'all to stay tuned with what I'm going to be creating. So stay tuned with that too. I'm gonna put it in these bags right here. So what I want y'all to do, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe, and comment. So when I post another video, y'all can see and tune in of what I'm doing. That's one. Here's another one. So I want y'all to have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.